the law of cosines to solve an SAS triangle, side angle side triangle. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine angle C. This is the formula for the law of cosines. C squared, we're looking for side C, is equal to 2 squared plus 3 squared, B squared, minus 2 times 2 times 3 cosine C, which is 60 degrees, cosine 60 degrees. C squared is equal to 4 plus 9 minus 12, and cosine 60 is 1/2, so 12 times 1/2. C squared is equal to, it's 13 minus 6. C squared is equal to 7, and C is equal to positive square root of 7. To find sine B, we can use the law of sines since we have a side angle pair. So sine B is to 3, what sine 60 is to C, which is square root of 7. Sine B, when we multiply both sides by 3, is equal to 3 sine 60 divided by square root of 7. Using the calculator, B is equal to the inverse sine of 3 sine 60 divided by square root of 7. And B is approximately 79.1 degrees. Now, to find A, we just have to subtract these two angles from 180, which is the total. 180 minus 60 plus 79.1. So A is approximately 40.9 degrees. A is equal to 2, C equal to 4, and B is equal to 45 degrees. We need to solve the triangle. Using the law of cosines, B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine B. So B squared is equal to 2 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 times 4 cosine 45 degrees. B squared is equal to 4 plus 16 minus 16, and cosine 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. B squared is equal to 20 minus 16 over 2 is 8 square root of 2. B squared is approximately 8.69, and B is approximately square root of 8.69, 2.95. If you're going to use the law of sines to find the next part. Make sure you use what is given to avoid the ambiguous case. Side A is given, so we're going to look for angle A. Sine A is to A what sine B is to B. So sine angle A is equal to A, which is 2, times sine angle B, which is 45 degrees, divided by B that we just found, which is approximately 2.95. A is equal to the inverse sine of 2 sine 45 degrees divided by 2.95, and we get an approximation for angle A from the calculator. That approximation is 28.76 degrees. Now, C, the last part, can be found by subtracting from 180 45 plus 28.76. So C is equal to 180 minus 45 plus 28.76. C is approximately 106.24 degrees.